Hey yo, the spoon just slid into my DMs like, I'm taking the fridge out for a late night spin. But the fridge? Cold as ice, fam. It's low-key plotting with the toaster about how to finesse a little chaos. Meanwhile, I caught the lamp giving me the side eye like it knows I haven't been paying my respects to the light bulbs. Low-key, the plants are vibing in the corner, whispering in code about Operation Lettuce. I don't even know what that means, but I'm here for it. My shoes? Popping off with the dryer, making plans for a heist involving mismatched socks. I'm too smooth for them, though, playing it cool. The TV just hit me with the rerun of my thoughts from last Tuesday. Yup, it knows I'm deep like that. And yo, the clouds? They want to roll with me, but I'm too rizzed up to be pulled in. I'm the sun now, you feel me? And the microwave? Don't even get me started. It hit me with that just trust the process energy and started popping corn at 2 a.m. Sigma move. I'm running this show. Cereal bowls got nothing on me, though. It's got the time travel theories, but I'm already one step ahead.
Sunshine. Whoosh,